how to delete all promotion emails in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you too tired of so many promotion emails in your Gmail? Then don't worry, I'll show you how to delete them at once. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your Google Chrome and head over to your Gmail, and then you can see various tabs like primary, promotions, social, and updates on your inbox. You need to head over to promotions. Now, if there are many promotion emails and you want to delete it all at once, then you need to go to this box at the top and tap on it, and all the promotion emails will be selected at once. And then instead of deleting it separately, you can just go to the trash icon at the top. Just this is the delete option, just tap on it, and then there you go, everything has been deleted. So you can delete the few remaining ones as well. So it's as simple as that to delete your promotion emails on your Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.